Welcome to Eclipse Shutters. This video will show you how to replace the connectors on the front tilt bar. First, determine which connector or connectors need to be replaced. Using a pencil or painter's tape, mark the top of the tilt bar so that it can be reattached in the proper orientation. It is recommended that the shutter panel remain installed in the frame, but this is not a requirement. To begin removing the tilt bar, grasp the louver that is connected nearest the top of the tilt bar that is being removed. Holding this louver firmly will prevent the louvers from rotating and the panel from opening. Using the other hand, pull on the tilt bar at the top of the louver section until the first connector is no longer secured to the louver. Continue moving down the tilt bar until all connectors are no longer secured to the louvers. If replacing select connectors, the tilt bar can be placed flat on a table or held in hand during this process. Rotate each damaged or broken connector 90 degrees by hand or with pliers. Pull to remove from the back of the tilt bar and discard. If there is not enough of the connector to hold and remove, then consider replacing the entire tilt bar. If the connector has broken into two pieces, part of the connector will remain in the back of the tilt bar and the other part of the connector will remain in the louver. To remove the portion of the connector in the louver, unbend a large paper clip. Feed one end of the paper clip between the connector and the louver. Grasp the paper clip with a pair of pliers and pull. The remaining portion of the connector should dislodge. If replacing the entire tilt bar, the new tilt bar should be ready to install, including all connectors and end caps. The tilt bar should also include some indication of which end is the top or bottom. To reattach a new tilt bar, or reinstall the repaired tilt bar, rotate all louvers in the panel or louver section so they are in the horizontal or open position, and the T-shaped notches in each louver are facing forward. Note: the next step will be awkward but necessary to start the attachment process. Grasp the top louver and at the same time orient the tilt bar so that the top connector aligns with the T-shaped notch in the top louver. Push until the connector is fully seated, or use a non-marring rubber mallet to tap the front of the tilt bar until the connector is fully seated. Note: using any metal object, including a hammer or anything containing a sharp edge, will damage the tilt bar. If a rubber mallet is not available, cover the tilt bar or the head of the hammer with a heavy cloth to prevent damage. Repeat the process until all connectors are attached to the louvers. Operate the louvers fully in both directions to ensure there are no issues. Troubleshooting. If one or more louvers do not operate with the tilt bar, check to make sure that all connectors have been attached to the louvers. If all louvers operate in both directions but closure is poor, the tilt bar may have been installed upside down and will need to be removed and reinstalled. If one or more connectors do not stay attached to the louvers, it is possible one or more louvers have been damaged and will likely need to be replaced. If one or more connectors do not stay in the tilt bar, check the tilt bar for damage. It will likely need to be replaced. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website, eclipseshutters.com.